Hi there. Today let me talk about something that I should have talked about at the beginning of the year, about diversification. We are still not yet late. Today is 23rd of January. So we are still at the beginning of the year. So as a smart investor, you should have these 6 accounts with you. And maybe you can start with one, pole by the end of the year, you have the 6 of them. So the first one that you should have, and why do we need to have the 6 account, is to diversify, as I keep on saying, diversification. Because if you put all your eggs into one basket, you risk loss. But when you have diversified, in case one goes down, at least you have the other one. And this one taught me through experience. So the first account that you should have is a money market fund. This account, every Kenyan should have. This is where you park your money. In case you park it to do investment, you park it to do something. You can park it here. Like now, after 3 months, for those of us who have children in school, we paid school fees in January this month. In April, we'll be required, beginning of May, we'll be required to pay another school fees. So you park your money. You can park even your school fees money here. You can park your investment money here. Na haikai tu, you are earning some kidogo money from it. So every Kenyan should have a money market fund. The other one is a CDS account. This one is for trading shares, for your gateway to Nairobi Stock Exchange. And for those people who don't know how to open a trading account, a CDS account, or how to trade in Nairobi Stock Exchange, I have an ebook which is quite detailed on how to trade in Nairobi, to open a CDS account, how to start trading in Nairobi Stock Exchange, what to look for before you buy a share. There's a checklist that you have to ask yourself 6 questions, and once you tick all of them, yes, you are on the right track. Then it gives you a portfolio with different budgets. It gives examples of those stable companies that you can start with. So my ebook is there on the link on my bio. You can click on it and buy. It's going for Kenya shillings 400 only. It will help you open a CDS account, list of brokers, how to become a smart investor in Nairobi Stock Exchange. So this is also another account that you should have as a smart investor in Kenya. The third account is another one that I explained the other day. It's called a Dhow CSD account. This one enables you to buy government bonds, the T-bills, the treasury bonds, the infrastructure bond. And there's something by there I wouldn't like you to miss. Anytime it's floated, it's an infrastructure bond, because it's usually tax-free. So if it's 14%, you get your 14%. So have a Dhow CSD account. There's a video that I did on how to open one. And the ranges, if you remember the ones which were floated this month, the interest was between, say, 12 point something and 13.4. So those are their interest rates. So you open a Dhow CSD account. The other account that you should have is an individual pension account. I know most of you who are working, this one is usually catered for by the employer, where you have a pension where you are contributing as an employee. The employer also top it up. But you who is not working or who is in business, open an individual pension account, which is RBA, Retirement Benefits Authority regulated, and you can save even a minimum of 5,000. Like ICEA, they offer this individual pension account. By the way, even my account is with ICEA. So you open one where you save. And by the way, don't look at this money as kidogo money. I have a friend of mine whom we used to work with who retired last year. I know that she was earning a lot of money, but by the time she retired from her pension, she got around 40 million, having accumulated for many years. Yes, so this individual pension account, you send like 5,000 per month, and you'll be sorted out by the time you are retiring. The other account that you should have is a special funds. It's something which has come up, and I know it requires a lot of money to open, but what I say, with determination and focus, you can open one. If you start saving, remember I've said the money market fund is for parking your money. So you can accumulate funds in the money market funds, in the money market account. And once it reaches the 250,000, which is required for opening like Mansa X, you take it to Mansa X and open an account. Or 500 for special fund. You open an account. And then for top-ups, which are usually 100K anytime you are topping up, you still accumulate in money market fund. Once it reaches that amount, you take it to your special funds. And the good thing with special funds, it also gives you the international exposure, because they diversify their investment. They even invest in commodities like gold, silver, and in the international market. So get one. You can say by the end of the year you'll have one, and they are giving some good returns. 20% is good return. Yes. The other one that you should have, you should also have an international stock buying account. There are some companies which you can trade with. You can invest in stocks which are outside the country, like Apple, Amazon, all those. And there are some brokers who are offering those kind of services. There is the international broker. I think there is CISA, there is Dhow, Scope Market. There are quite a number. You do your research, and the charges are the charge, how to fund your account, because you have to fund it in dollars so that you can be able to buy some of these stocks like SP 500 and the rest. And then maybe how to build your portfolio. How do you start building your investment portfolio? As I said, the foundation is a money market fund. Have a money market fund where you park your money. And once you have a money market fund, the next thing, the two easy things to open is a CDS where you can buy shares, and then the Dhow CSD where you can buy these are like you enter the local market where you can buy the treasury, bills, and bonds. Then after that, after you have opened that, you can now start securing your future by getting a pension account. And then at the end of everything, get a special fund account, and also start trading with an international broker. So take charge of your financial future. We are still early in the month of January, year 2026. Make it a point to get the 6 of this account. There are still a number of them. They are not only limited to 6. The others like REITs, that one is for real estate. The others like Kasako, if you are still in that era of taking loans, because SACCO loans by there they are cheaper than bank loans. So this list is not I've not exhausted what you need, because there are still others investment opportunities in Kenya. Thank you. And remember my ebook in the bio. It will help you, especially if you are a beginner and you don't know where to start. Grab it. It will explain in details how to start buying shares in Nairobi Stock Exchange. It will give you some good insights to select the best stock in Nairobi Stock Exchange, even though you are experienced, because I can see some of you who are experienced. They start panicking when the share prices start going down. It will also help you when to know when to exit a stock. What do you look for before you sell a stock? It will give you a very good exit strategy. Thank you.